First, let's gather our gear. You'll need your PlayStation 5 DualSense controller and a PC with Steam installed. You'll also need either a USB-C cable to connect the controller directly to your PC, or Bluetooth capabilities integrated into your computer, or a Bluetooth adapter. Once Steam is open, head to the Steam menu located in the top left corner of the screen. Click on Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, click on Controller. This will bring you to the controller settings where we'll begin configuring the DualSense. Inside the controller settings, click on General Controller Settings. This is where the magic happens. If you're using a wired connection with a USB-C cable, plug the controller in now. If using Bluetooth, make sure your controller is turned on by pressing the PlayStation button. Assuming your PC's Bluetooth is on, the DualSense controller should appear as a detected device. If not, make sure the controller is in pairing mode by holding down the PlayStation button and the Create button simultaneously. Once detected, you should see PlayStation configuration support displayed near the bottom. Make sure this checkbox is checked. This is crucial for compatibility. That's it. Your PS5 DualSense controller is now set up for Steam. Some games will automatically recognize the controller, offering native support, while others might require you to manually configure the controller settings within the game itself, or utilize Steam's controller configuration tools. Just select your game, open the game's custom settings, and configure your controller to your liking. Enjoy gaming.